Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Destination Zen. Today, we'll take a break from going through travel destinations and talk about must-have items to ensure smooth and relaxing sailing when traveling to your dream vacation. Whether you're embarking on an epic journey to outer space or simply planning a trip to the beautiful land of Canada, one thing remains constant: the travel essentials we all need to make our adventure more enjoyable. So let's dive into the top accessories that will turn your travel hassle into smooth sailing. First up, let's talk about the all-new Soundcore Liberty 4NC earphones. These earphones aren't just about fun, they pass my rigorous scientific scrutiny. But in all seriousness, what makes them truly remarkable is that the unbeatable price point: active noise cancellation for less than $100, plus a whopping 10 hours of battery life per charge, with a total of 50 hours in the charging case. That means you can keep these babies on throughout your flight and bid farewell to the endless chorus of crying babies. And they come with multiple ear tip sizes and helpful app for that perfect snug fit. But wait, there's more! These earphones are packed with features and customizable settings, all neatly packed in a sleek, soft touch finish. And if you ever run low on battery, a quick 10-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playback. Alternatively, you can go wireless charging route and keep them juiced up overnight. With various colors options available, the blackout look is my personal favorite. Plus, they've got the Find My Earbuds feature and 6 built-in mics for crystal clear calls. Trust me, they are more than just earphones. Soundcore Liberty 4NC noise cancelling true wireless earphones are priced at $99.99. Now, if you're like me and tend to sweat a lot, like a lot, then you'll want to keep this little lifesaver with you everywhere you go. It's a portable fan that not only keeps you cool, but also looks like a mini Dyson. The GCU Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S is a mouthful to say, but it packs some serious cooling power. Compact enough to fit in your pocket or sling bag, it's about the size of an iPhone. With up to 15 hours of battery life, it'll keep you cool all day long. Just be careful not to stick anything in those holes. The GCU Life Handheld Fan Pro is priced at $27.20. Now, let's tackle a common MacBook user woe: tangled cables. Enter the Fuse Real Sidewinder. It's a simple piece of plastic with some seriously futuristic magnetic magic. Your MacBook charger cord will thank you when it clips neatly into place and stays tangle-free. Just a few spins and voila! Organized perfection. Pull on both sides and it distributes the cord evenly. No more airport stairs as you struggle with your unruly cables. The Fuse Real Sidewinder is priced at $19.99. Next up, we have the Nomadic Outset Collection. This clothing is designed for all-day, everyday wear, no matter where your travel takes you. The lightweight jacket is a personal favorite, with ample storage and thoughtful design, including a built-in pillow for those impromptu snaps. The t-shirt from the same collection feels like a confidence booster, thanks to its perfect fit and practical drop-back design. And let's not forget the genius gusset design in their pants, allowing for freedom of movement and comfort. You can get the Nomadic Outset Collection at $63.99. Now let's talk about space saving with Vacuum Saver. This compact gadget is like a magician's wand for your clothes, toiletries, and souvenirs. It sucks out air from one end and blows it out the other, instantly reducing the size of your items. No more overpacking or struggling with space in your suitcase. It's a game changer for travelers. Flex Tail Gear Tiny Pump is priced at $29.98. Hydration is essential while you're on the move, but carrying a bulky water bottle can be a hassle. Enter the Vapor Flexible Bottle, a pocket-sized solution for your hydration needs. It's like a sturdy Ziploc bag that transforms into a regular bottle when filled. When you're done, simply fold it up and secure it with a built-in carabiner, perfect for staying hydrated without the bulk. Vapor Flexible Bottle is priced at $11.99. Next, we've got a lineup of handy daily essentials. Shout wipes and go for those accidental stains. Porter wipes, the portable tissue that activates with a few drops of water, and Foamin, your pocket-sized soap for an on-the-go hand washing. These items may seem small, but they can make a big difference when you're away from home. You can have shout wipes and go for just $4.18. And then there's Foamint, the answer to your hand washing prayers. These thin sliced pieces of soap come in a compact tube. Just add water and they foam up, leaving your hands clean and refreshed. Perfect for those moments when you encounter public restrooms with no soap. You can buy Foamint paper soap sheets for $9.99. For those moments when you're out and about and suddenly hit you with fear of running out of toilet paper in public restrooms, here's your lifesaver. It may look like a gum tube, but it's much more. Say hello to Portercoin Tissue Wipes, the superhero for portable wipes. These wipes are not just ordinary tissues, they've undergone a magical transformation. Dried and compressed into what seems like an unassuming gum-like tube, they spring into action with just a few drops of water. And voila! You've got yourself at least 3 full-fledged wipes. But that's not all. These wipes are surprisingly durable, yet soft and slightly textured. They're designed to get into those hard-to-reach crevices comfortably. Worried about their strength? Fear not. They can take a beating. In fact, when you compare them side by side with a regular tissue, you'll be left marveling at how this unassuming tube become your trustworthy restroom companion. Portercoin wipes cost $36.98. So there you have it, a curated collection of travel accessories and everyday essentials that will elevate your travel experience. Let us know in the comments which one you found the most intriguing or useful. And don't forget to hit that button and subscribe for more innovative and travel-friendly content. Until next time, safe travels, my fellow explorers!